Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you this afternoon?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, this afternoon I want to ask you some questions. Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Okay. What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Okay. What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6:20 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
Okay. What time do you arrive at school?
I arrive at school at 10 o'clock.
Okay. What time do you start to study at school?
I study at 7:20 o'clock.
Okay. Do you like study?
Yes, I am.
Okay. What subject do you like?
I like English
With whom do you study at school?
with my friends.
Do you like to study with your friends?
Yes, I do.
What subject do you like?
I like English.
What time do you go home?
I go home at 3 o'clock.